Hello everyone, so today we are talking about Charles' law, and our goal is I can solve problems that involve the temperature and volume of gases. So here we have a chart. The two variables we're talking about is volume and temperature. So here our volume is going up. It's going up 40, 44, 47, 51. What's happening to our temperature? And you notice our temperature is in Kelvin, which it needs to be. And you notice it's going up as well. And just like this chart, as volume goes up, temperature goes up, which gives us our definition for Charles' law. The volume and absolute temperature, or Kelvin, of a gas are directly related. So if one goes up, if your volume goes up, your temperature goes up. If your temperature goes down, your volume goes down. So the same thing happens to both. And that gives us our formula, V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2, which I have in your notes section already typed out for you. So go ahead and write out this example, and we will work it out together. So if I have 3 liters of a substance and a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and change the volume to 5 liters, what is my new temperature? Our temperature needs to be in Kelvin. So a reminder, which I have this in your practice problem, you need to know that Kelvin is Celsius plus 273. All right, so let's write down what we know. So I have 3 liters, so our first volume is 3 liters. A temperature, so our first temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. But we need to change that to Kelvin. So you would do 4 plus 273. $277. So 277 is our actual first temperature. And change the volume to 5 liters. So V2 is 5 liters, and then we are looking for T2. Alright, so let's plug this into our formula, which we can see right here on the side. V1 divided by T1 equals V2 divided by T2. So our V1 is 3 divided by T1, which is 277. We use the Kelvin, equals hard to make fractions. Our V2, which is 5, divided by our T2, which is what we're looking for. Okay, just a little quick reminder for math to make our math a little bit easier is you can cross multiply. Okay, so insert shape arrow. You could do 3 times x equals 5 times 277. So 3 times x is 3x equals 5 times 277. 5 times 277 is 1,385. 1,385. Okay, so now we need to get x by itself, so we'll do that by dividing by 3. So that'll give us x equals 1,385 divided by 3, which is 461.66 repeated, or you could round that to 462. And that is temperature. We found T2, so we would put it in Kelvin or K. So that would be our answer. Now, in your digital notebook, you have 3 problems to work on with this. I do have the formulas up top for you. Make sure you put that in your degrees Celsius in Kelvin. If it gives it to you in Kelvin, then you don't have to do anything. which I think all of these you do have to change to Kelvin. Yep. So if you have questions on this, if you need me to check your work, let me know and I will be happy to help.